Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this device into your PC using the Smart Connect. Okay, so let's begin. First, on your PC or laptop, open up your Microsoft Store, and in here type Smart Connect. Find this app right in here. It's completely for free, so don't worry. It's from the Lenovo ENC. Simply install it. Now, once it's installed, open up your search bar, find your Smart Connect, open up this app, and now you can see that we have this QR code that we need to scan. Now, on our Motorola, open up your Moto folder and find Smart Connect. Now, click on Add a Device. Select PC. Now click on Continue Pairing. And now we have two options. We can do this wirelessly or by the cable. I'm going to show you the wireless option. So now we have this QR code on our PC. And now we need to basically scan this using our Motorola. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, as you can see, it has been successfully connected. Now click on Get Started, and now click on your computer, and in here we have the app streaming, found on PC, webcam, files, hotspot, smart clipboard, cross control, and the share hub features. And we can enter them from our Smart Connect app on our PC, and of course we can also do that on our Motorola. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.